dares to do for me is to be offensive thinking, playing offensive football. Everything you do is forward thinking. And of course, in football terms, taking risk. You need to take risk to achieve anything in life. If you want to go from good to great, you need to go beyond with every action, every behavior, every single day. We need to be brave in the choices we make. Never be too satisfied. Celebrate your wins, but you always want more. You always need to constantly think, how can I improve that? How can I make it a little bit better? It's about trying to optimize every single day. In life, football and business, there can be times where you need to change, because if you don't change it, you don't get progress and you don't move forward. I think the similarities to what World First is doing around the world and Tottenham of football is definitely being open-minded. For example, on culture. I'm big on culture. There's different ways of understanding traditions, but I also think there is similarities that you need to go with that will work in any culture. You need to constantly try and want to develop. No matter if you are very successful in what you do, you need to keep the main part of it, but if you don't develop, if you don't try to add extra layers, people will take over. If you want to be the world's first in anything, I think it's extremely important that you work hard. You don't walk in other people's footsteps, because if you do that, you never move past them, and trust yourself. I'm Thomas Frank, head coach of Tottenham Hotspur.